district chair and your entire team, the DPC here with us, the COW and the technical team, all the political wings who are here, not forgetting the assistant RDC who is also in the house. Good afternoon. Susan Akot Moro is my name. My status has not yet changed, as you know. I am the Deputy RDC of the district by the grace of God. And I want to sincerely thank Mr. Chairman, the COW, and my senior, the RDC, for convening this meeting. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. My senior called me this morning. Should have been here in person, but he has been called to go and attend to some situation somewhere, and requested me to represent him in this meeting, and he has conveyed greetings to you people. Firstly, I really want to thank the government of Uganda, under the leadership of the only visionary man whom you know. And he has been branded by Ruto that is the father of the region. We really want to thank him so much for all these initiatives. Because when you look at our Bible here, what we are talking about here today has been his dream. No wonder a number of you have said that when we went to Balegi last time, he talked about this. Because you guys raised the issues of insecurity in the region, and he was able to respond about this. As the DPC has said, in 2022, the president pronounced himself about the sub-county policing system. He talked about 18 policemen to be deployed in all the sub-counties. Unfortunately, because of the manpower, that couldn't happen immediately. I remember DPC, when was that? Was it last year or the other year? When we launched in Kananga, the first sub-county. It was the first sub-county that we launched in. I think 1.5 years ago, or the other. 2024. Kananga was the first sub-county to have this launch in the district. Actually, the interest of the government was to first check. They first go through all these sub-counties, they monitor whether they have the equipment to accommodate this system here. But I want to thank government that they have relaxed the policy, really. They have relaxed it. You can imagine they are saying that, okay, let these policemen go to the sub-counties. Dear chairpersons, actually, if not all, I think all of you have always been complaining about the lack of police in your area. And by the grace of God, we are really very happy today that we have been blessed that we are going to receive the police, the manpower in our sub-counties. A number of you have written letters to our office requesting to have the police post in your sub-counties. And we are really thankful. We are very grateful that today they are telling us that we shall begin receiving these people on Monday. We are left with a task. We are left with a task. And I want to appreciate someone who said that we shall get back on the ground and convene a meeting, ask our people to accommodate these people. I think this is what we should go and do. With immediate effect, when you get on the ground, even when you go now, convene a meeting tomorrow, we have some other willing persons there on the ground who have grass-cut houses, some have even the mabati houses, they'll even give you for free for the sake of security. Please go and convince them. You tell them it is a temporary program, it is temporary to accommodate these people in their houses. A government also will intervene in the near future. I am happy that you have all embraced this. Please accept these people to go to your sub-county and support you. Mr. Chairman, I remember in the morning when I went to you, you said, today you slept like a baby.
So well.
I was equally very happy really when I heard about this. Because every time and again, as you heard the DPC say, we receive calls and calls. You know, you always call that. The community always call that. In most cases, you will have to, you know, like in Liarapalu serves how many sub-counties?
5.
You can imagine. And now that you're going to have your very own, aren't you happy? Please. You must be really very happy. Let's try all our means to take care of these people. They are saying it is temporary. Before Jesus Christ.
Amen.
What do I need to say again? I am just happy that we have all accepted. Come on, my chairman for Liaraka sub-county. I hope you are with us. You have accepted. Thank you. Yeah. So as I move to conclude, yesterday we received a team from Ministry of Energy. I think it is also very important to give you the highlights. Mr. Chairman, you are represented, you are right, because you had the business schedule yesterday. We received a team from the Ministry of Energy yesterday, and the meeting was chaired by Carl. I must tell you that government is coming up with a very good program, scaling up electricity projects. You've been crying, you've been calling our office, you've been coming everywhere. But this is a program that is coming to support us with the media. Actually, it has kicked off. So we are told that the team will be coming to the district anytime. Anytime in this July, they'll come. They'll have a meeting in the district, and they'll also narrow down. This program is very good. We shall have time and tell you the details. The name dictates Electricity Upscale Project. Now, what are they saying? The government is saying that whoever is within the radius of 90 meters will receive free electricity power. Beyond the 90 meters, you will now pay, okay? But of course, remember that you will still benefit from the 90 meters first. Then if your building is now beyond the 90 meters, that is when you can pay either maybe 1 pole or 2 poles. But that is the message that we need to go and tell our people. They also have the solar program.
Solar water pump.
The solar water pump. So at an appropriate time, they will tell you all this. We are going to have time and sensitize you, all the leaders, and also through the office of the cow, you will be sensitized in the interest of time. That is a very good program. Please go and tell our businessmen, go and tell our institutions that you have within your areas of jurisdiction that this is the program coming to target the different categories of people, including households. So we shall benefit out of this. Lastly, Mr. Chairman, remember we attended the program in Kipu just a few days ago on recovery. It's very important that all of them are here. We need to also enlighten. The Ministry of Gender convened a meeting just a few days ago this week in Kipu and tasked the district leaders to begin serious recovery of work money, of youth livelihood fund. You're laughing. I've seen you guys just laughing. But please, there's no writing off this money. Okay? There's no writing off this money, please. We are requesting for your support. Now let's recover this money. Can you imagine that? Is it actually East? We are the worst in the country. With recovery percentage of what? 7%. 7. We are showing a rate of poverty in a very bad way. But we are requesting for your support, please. The chairperson, the sub-county chief, please support us. Let's recover something. We are coming up with some plans to recover this money. The youth and the women. Please, let's have a concerted effort and recover this money. Commander, come last week. Let's continue to maintain standard operating procedures. Still, I want to thank the government because we have been able to contain the Ebola virus. Because as we speak now, I think the country registered 20 cases. But now out of the 20 cases, there were only 5 Ugandans. The rest were from Congo. Now, out of these 20, 2 died. And as we speak now, 15 have recovered. The traced contact persons have successfully also completed the 21 days in the quarantine. They have successfully completed and they have gone home. And as we speak now, I think we only have 3 people in the treatment center. We must be grateful and thank the government for containing this virus. Now, we shouldn't take it for granted. Let's continue to observe the standard operating procedure so that the country is declared free of the Ebola virus. With all this, I want to thank you. And there is something that came here about the land. The government is not going to buy land. Government is not going to buy land. Government does not have the money to procure land. It is your responsibility as a leader to go and talk to your people there. Because development can't happen on there. Go and talk to your people. Convince them that we need the police outpost here. We need land. Let them give the land to your sub-county so that government can construct what? The police post. With all this, I want to thank you for your patience and I officially declare this meeting closed. Thank you.
Just want to